Okay, it's the next day from doing my rears. Now we're gonna do the front struts. Might take an hour, might take 2, might take 5. We'll see. Right now we got it jacked up, took the wheel off from that side, took the lug nuts off from that side, but just came the wheel on, I guess. From here, these things are easy. Here's a little pin right here that comes off. You need like a flathead to take that off. What else do we have? We have to take this off. There you go. That was easy. Take that pin off from the brake. We're gonna have to take off this strut right here off. And then what else do we need to take off? Okay, so we're gonna need to take this bolt off. Then we're gonna need to take this bolt off. The hard part is this down here. The strut's connected to this. I'm gonna have to hammer it out, and that's gonna be the biggest pain in the ass, most likely. So that's gonna be the most time taken off, is just hitting it with something, and hopefully it just breaks off. Here's I guess a brake sensor or something. Here's a sensor for something. I'll just take all that off, put it out of the way, because I'm gonna have to hit something with this, take it off. So right now, let's take this pin off. Let me get a flathead and take that pin. Okay, so for me being on it for like an hour, finally got it off. Mazda 1s suck, dude. These suck. Never doing this again. But others, I got that done, but there is a problem with it, which I'll deal with not right now, because I want to do the passenger side too. I got all the bolts off that you need to take off. I didn't take off this bolt because that's the problem with the other one. It's stripped and it's still stuck on the strut, so I'll deal with all that later. I got this one done down here to the sway bar, so I can take off the strut, and then the 17 mil back here. Oh yeah, that's right. And then I'll take off the sensor. Take that sensor off. And after I take that sensor off, I still need to take off this clip and then start banging on it for like another extra hour or whatever. I was using my hammer, and the block of wood that's totally destroyed is, if you can't tell, this thing is destroyed. I don't know if I can still, hopefully this wood doesn't go to pieces on this side, because I'm gonna need that. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, and we're almost there. So peace. See you in 2 seconds. Okay, finally guys, it took me forever, honestly, but there they are. Got the brake line back, got the sensor back on, got everything back on. Now we just have one problem. Driver's side, I have to take off this linkage or whatever it's called, but I have stripped the bolts, so I'm gonna have to get like a Husky tool set to, I have to buy a kit to pretty much take that off, or like for a stripped bolts kit, and I don't think I have any, so, and I don't want to make it worse because it's already rounded. I don't know what else to try except like vice grips, but it's on there pretty good, so I don't even know if I want to use vice grips and just make it worse. So pretty much I don't know what to do right now. Probably try and I'm gonna put the wheel on this side. I guess I can put the strut back on and then just kind of wait on what I'm gonna have to do on that. But I got this side done, so stay tuned. My next little problem that I was prepared for was back here where this connects. I don't know if you can see it, but it just touching the tire. So there's no way in hell you can have your RPFs at 35 offset on without some 5mm spacers. And this is what this is. I got some from that's why you do a lot of research, because I would be at a standby at this point. But I knew this was gonna happen. So I got a JBR Centric Hub spacer. And I'm gonna take off the wheel and put the spacers on. I also have some for the back, which I don't need, but to make it look a little more aggressive, I might put those on. I'm not too sure yet, but I am gonna put these on the front. And they're pretty small, but they work. And there I have it. Got the Koni on the passenger side. Time to put it on the driver's side. It's getting dark soon, so I have to rush it. And I don't think I'm gonna be finished today. I'm probably gonna have to walk to work tomorrow. Okay, so last night was getting too dark, so I couldn't finish my car, and I had got my brother taking me to work, which sucked. But today we finally got the strip bolts off, pretty much, as you can see over here. We took it off from here. What was going on was that the bolt would turn, but it would turn with I don't know, whatever you want to call this, the link. It would turn with the link, so it wouldn't, you know, unloosen or break off. So we put a pair of pliers on the other side of this to hold this down. And then once we did that, we got the old bolts off. But pretty much I just bought a brand new one for the driver's side. I am gonna need to buy a brand new one for the passenger side, the front end link, which I will do. I don't know, next paycheck. I'm broke now, so I'm not gonna buy it now. But pretty much we're almost done. I just have to install this piece with this and take off the driver's side wheel, and that's it. And now we've got it done. Got that bolt in, got the brand new front end link in. Now got to put the JBR 5mm spacer on, get the wheel on, lower it down, and we're good. And I think I'm done modifying my car, because as you can see, it's getting cloudy. It's getting cold as hell. Not too cold yet, but it's like 46 degrees. I hate the cold, and I'ma hate working on my car in the cold. So let's put these bad boys on, lower the car, and see how better it looks. Okay, I had to jump start my car because battery died on me. I really need to replace that battery. It's an Everstart Walmart battery, so it's junk. And I might try and see if I can get it replaced for free, because it's 5-year warranty. Pretty sure it's like sorta new. But other than that, I'm fucking done with this damn thing. The struts in the back were easy. Those weren't that bad. The front ones sucked. I was literally beating on them for like an hour, 2 hours, just beating on the strut with a piece of wood. Like, felt like a freaking, what do you call them? I felt like a blacksmith, just fucking hammering away for hours. Finally got them done, and dude, I'm so excited to show you guys. But I feel like the fronts are a little too low. I might have to raise them up, because Texas streets don't play with those potholes, you know. I'm not trying to ruin my car, and if it doesn't like help performance wise, I don't, you know, I don't want it. So here you guys go. Look how low that is. Like almost 2 fingers. Yeah, it's pretty low now compared to what there were. I also have a 5mm spacer I might put on those to just fill in the gap a little more. I might try that out. Look at that. Okay guys, well, now I'm in the car. Let's put you down somewhere around here. Sorry if the camera position is shitty. I don't have really a mount to put you guys on. I need a GoPro for that. Oh, I need to get gas too. Oh, okay, moment of truth. Up, straighten the wheel. Sorry guys, I'm kind of sick too, so I might wheel a little bit. Heard something bad. Oh, a lot of scrapes. A lot of scrapes going on. The low life. Put the windows down so I can hear better. Does feel lower than the backs. Ooh. Okay, steering feels a lot better, honestly. I think I do bounce a little more than stock though, which kind of figured because I have lowering springs. It's not just struts, you know, that I'm replacing, so the extra bounce I kind of figured. I don't know, man. It's just lowering the car a little bit, but it feels like a whole different experience, honestly. Oh no. Okay, I do scrape. That's a given. I'm scraping and I'm not even hitting any like crazy ass bumps. So yeah, I'm gonna have to raise the car for fucking sure. Or honestly, that might be this plastic piece that I have. Might be that, honestly. I'm gonna turn the left right here, and if it doesn't scrape, then it's probably that plastic piece I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to just break it off, rip it off, I don't know. It's just the inner lining. Yeah, that's what it is. Because it only does it going right, which is on the driver's side. Like the broken lining, plastic lining is on my driver's side, so if it's not scraping turning left, but it's scraping turning right, that's what it is. I ain't too worried about that then. Now I just have to see bumps. Here's a bump right here, let's see. Those are pretty good, honestly. Few more bumps. I'm always dodging bumps, but I'm trying to hit them all right now. Hey man, I don't hear nothing. No scrapes from these bumps. Good amount of bumps too. Okay, I might keep them at this height, honestly. Yeah, this car's taking it like a champ. Feels, oh man, this car feels so much better. I am gonna put gas because I'm driving on empty. But dude, the difference of struts and lowering springs the driving makes on this car, dude, it's fucking ridiculous. And imagine like coilovers. This is the install, and have a awesome day, you guys. Keep keep working hard, keep grinding. Don't let shit stop you from your dreams, and you'll get there eventually. Just keep on grinding, and don't ever let anyone tell you no. Even if they don't believe in your dream, who cares? You believe in your own dream and you can make it happen. So with that note, see you guys later. Peace.